Hi, I'm Sean Teasley from Social Tonic. I'm the trainer for this 4-month package on bringing you up to speed on social media, creating templates and best practices for your social scheduling. What we're going to cover is what to expect in the next 4 months. Month one is I will be proving the concept of what to do for social media. So I will be going through and creating all the content. That will start with an audit of your current content and of your competition. I'll then go in and create a hashtag strategy. We'll go through an onboarding call to understand what you're looking for as far as brand tone, design, desire of style, and then I will start creating the content for month one. I'll also create a content calendar for the entire year for the person who is going to be taking this training to follow for the next few months. I will then create 12 social media posts, which equals 3 posts per week for the month. Deliver those in the scheduling tool and have you pre-approve them at one shot. We will look at the social media together, make sure that it's on brand and something that we want to move forward with consistency. I will then also create in our graphic design software that we'll be using together and that I will be setting up for you to use moving forward, templates for the social media posts as well. So easy templates that can be changed and updated for future use in future months. Then months 2 and 3, we will take what I have created and learned from your social media, and I will be training your teammate on how to do this for the next 2 months. In months 2 and 3, we'll be going over the different kinds of software, graphic design, and best practices. And then in month 4, I will be around for questions, accountability, and brainstorming while you create the entire month of content on your own. But I'll be here to walk you through any questions that you might have and help you feel very confident in what we've created. In this training, we'll be using 2 different softwares. One will be a graphic design software, and one will be a social media management tool for scheduling posts in advance. Also in the training, we'll be covering what hashtags are, how to use them, best practices in general for social media, analytics, how to review how your posts performed from the previous month and how you can make tweaks based on the analytics. We'll be talking about community outreach and how to engage your followers and fans. And then we'll also walk through how each social media channel is a little bit different. So for instance, on Twitter, you can post a max of 4 photos with videos of 140 seconds versus on LinkedIn, you can post 9 photos and videos with up to 10 minutes at a time, or a 10-minute video. We'll be talking about the difference between stories, posts, and reels, and when to use each of those. We'll be talking about how to reshare content from either your industry colleagues or brands that you work closely with, or just thought leaders as well. The end goal with this training package is to have you educated on social media, spending only 2 afternoons or blocks of time per month queuing up the content for the following months. We'll be having posts that are pre-scheduled with themes and consistency while being on brand, creating a low stress and low worry about what to post in coming months. I'll be here to train the person from your team on how to manage social media and create beautiful content. I can't wait to get started.